Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on statistical significance and the p-value. As usual, this video is only intended to clear core concepts and help you to practically use them when analyzing your data. I will not go into much theoretical detail. When we plan a study, we formulate null and alternative hypotheses. When disproving or accepting a hypothesis, we can never be 100% confident about the result. Therefore, settling for an acceptable level of confidence where we can say that the obtained result is significant is the next best thing we can do. The alpha value is this significance level and is the maximum probability that we are willing to be incorrect. This is arbitrarily set at 5% or 0.05. That means we accept a 5% chance that the results obtained are incorrect. After we perform a study and analyze the data, we would get a corresponding p-value. In short, the alpha value is set before the study and the p-value is what we obtain after the study is completed. This is the reason behind why we accept p-values less than or equal to 0.05 to be statistically significant and hence reject the null hypothesis. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.